When the MMC or LMC modifier is applied to the geometric tolerance within a feature control frame, the geometric tolerance associated with the feature of size is affected by the size of the unrelated actual mating envelope or the actual local size of the feature of size. In this situation, the amount of deviation between the actual local size of the feature of size and the MMC or LMC limit becomes an additional tolerance for the geometric characteristic, known as a bonus tolerance. This bonus tolerance is then added onto the geometric tolerance, allowing for a larger tolerance zone than what was originally allotted. Using the same part as demonstrated in the effect of RFS example, the feature control frame attached to the inside diameter of the hole now has the maximum material condition modifier symbol called out after the geometric tolerance. With this MMC modifier specified, the geometric characteristic is now allowed to have an increased geometric tolerance when the part is manufactured to a size other than its MMC limit. In this example, the actual local size of the inside diameter of the hole is measured at 33.1 millimeters, which is the size of the unrelated actual mating envelope of this feature of size. This ID meets the specification for the size dimension. Because the inside diameter was not made at MMC, the MMC limit of 33.0 millimeters can be subtracted from the actual local size of 33.1 millimeters for a deviation amount of 0.1 millimeters. This additional tolerance, or bonus tolerance of 0.1 millimeters, can now be added to the geometric tolerance value of 0.2 millimeters for a new geometric tolerance of 0.3 millimeters. According to this new geometric tolerance, the cylindrical feature's perpendicularity must be within 0.3 millimeters with respect to datum A, which is a wider tolerance zone than the drawing requirement of 0.2 millimeters. With this new geometric tolerance, the perpendicularity measurement of 0.3 millimeters is now in tolerance. This part now meets the size dimension and geometric tolerance requirements specified by the print.